Hey there! Today we'll be learning to create a simple Java program using NetBeans. So let's head over there. So now this will be our first Java program, okay? And it's a very basic program that we are going to create. So I have created my first lesson .java. If you can actually view here. And if you just notice, your public class is also my first lesson. But how is this possible? Well, every time you name your file, make sure that it is a file name that you are going to use in your public class. So this will actually make the whole idea of what your Java program can be. So for this, my public class will be my first lesson, which basically refers to the file name, which is also my first lesson. So let's start with our very simple program. So here, if you see, we already have the public static void main, which is our main body, which is a string arguments. So let's start with a printout, a very simple program which basically prints out. So what we will do is we use system.out.println, and then we come up with this statement. How about this is my first lesson, and then we close the code and close it with a bracket, and let's close it also with a semicolon. So as this is a statement, a programming statement, so and when you run it, you want to print out the statement called this is my first lesson. And to make that happen, this semicolon will basically make a big difference. So as I said before, this statement will be printed out once we run the program. So let's run the program. So how are we going to do that? So let's head on to run, and let's run this program. Ta-da! We have our output that says this is my first lesson, which is over here, and it has been built successfully. So in our next lesson, we will be looking at how will we be getting integer input from users. So that's all for now. So I'll see you in the next lesson. So bye.